Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings, then tapping Face ID and passcode. This is where biometric controls live. Enter your device passcode when prompted, because Face ID changes require confirmed authentication for security. Once done, tap Reset Face ID to erase the stored facial map. This removes all enrolled appearances instantly. Doing this prevents the phone from recognizing any face until you set it up again. Make sure you understand this will disable app unlocks using Face ID until you re-enroll. After tapping Reset Face ID, you'll see a confirmation dialog. Confirm to proceed because this finalizes deletion of the facial template. Once removed, go back and verify the Face ID and passcode screen shows no enrolled face entries. This confirms success. If you only want partial disablement, toggle off Face ID for iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, password autofill, and apps individually. Doing that gives you control over what remains protected versus fully disabling biometric access on the device. To finish, test unlocking with your passcode to ensure normal access. This proves the biometric data was cleared. If Face ID still appears active or prompts re-enrollment, restart the iPhone and check settings again. A reboot resolves most transient errors. If problems persist, make sure iOS is updated because software bugs can affect Face ID behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: backup, then update iOS. If issue remains, contact Apple support. There may be a hardware-related authentication fault requiring service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.